Hi all, welcome back to the class. Today we're going to discuss about the end of chapter exercise. Okay, so the first question is like that. Write a polynomial of degree 3 in the variable x in which the coefficient of x square term is minus 7. It's very easy. Actually, we know that general format of a equation of a polynomial of degree is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, right, equal to 0. Okay, now this is the general format. The condition here they are asking for, you have to write the x square term coefficient as negative 7. So it doesn't matter what the other terms coefficients are or the constant term what it is. You have to just make sure that your x square term is negative 7x. So it should be like negative 7x square. In the other terms you can feel as you like. You can take like 2x cube plus minus 7x square plus 3x equal to 0 or plus 4 equal to 0. It's up to you. The only condition you have to be careful is like that minus 7 should be the coefficient of x square, and make sure that the coefficient of x cube is not 0, because if it becomes 0 it will be a polynomial of degree 2 only. Okay, so make sure you are not taking a not equal to 0 and x square coefficient is negative 7. Okay, now we will move to the second question. Find the values of the following polynomials at the indicated values of the variable. It's actually also easier question. What you have to do, first question you are given with a polynomial, you have to put the value of x equal to 1 into that equation, isn't it? So it will be like, first of all we can write p of x is equal to, first case is like 5x square minus 3x plus 7. Now at x is equal to 1 means we have to find p of 1 actually, right? P of 1 is equal to 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. That is 5 minus 3 plus 7, isn't it? So 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 12 minus 3 gives you 9. So the first one value will be 9. Got the idea? Now we will do the second one. What is the value of second? It's given that you have to find like 4t cube minus t square plus 6 at t equal to a. So your p of t is equal to 4t cube minus t square plus 6. Okay, now at t equal to a means we have to find p of a, right? So p of a will be, you have to substitute the value of a at the place of t. So 4a cube minus a square plus 6. This will be your p of a. Got the idea? Now we will move to the next question. It's given that if you multiply a number by 5 by 2 and 2 by 3 to the product, we get minus 7 by 12. Find the number. So we have a number, and if you multiply a number by 5 by 2, then we add 2 by 3 to that. Okay, then we will get minus 7 by 12. Then we have to find the number. So what we have to take? We have to take the number as the unknown variable, that is x. Okay, so let us write, let the number be x. Okay, now given that multiply a number by 5 by 2, so it will be like 5 by 2 into x and r 2 by 3 to the product plus 2 by 3, which gives you what? Minus 7 by 12. Minus 7 by 12. Okay, so it will be like 5x by 2 plus 2 by 3 equal to minus 7 by 12. Now what you want, you have to find the value of 6, so that you can take the 2 by 3 to the right side. You will get 5x by 2 is equal to minus 7 by 12 minus 2 by 3. Okay, now you can take LCM 12, so you can multiply the second term both numerator and denominator by 4. No, so you are multiplying it by 4. Here also I multiply by 4. So what will I get? I will get it as minus 7 by 12 minus 8 by 12, right? So it will be like minus 15 by 12. What is minus 15 by 12? It is 5x by 12 equal to 5x by 2 is equal to minus 15 by 12. Okay, now you can easily cancel the terms together terms. That means like this is 1 time 5 is 5, here 3 times. So here 1 time 2 is 6, here 6 time 2 is 12. Now again you 3 by 6, you got it as x is equal to 3 by 6 minus 3 by 6, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. So you will get it as x is equal to minus 1 by 2 here. Got the idea? Okay, now we will move to the next question. The question says that a positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to the both the number, then one of the new number become twice the other new number. What are the numbers? Okay, so let us take the smaller number. See why we are taking smaller and larger numbers. Given a positive number is 5 times another number. So if a number is 5 times the other number, it will be much more bigger than the first number, right? So I'm going to take it as one a smaller number, another positive number as 5 times the smaller number. Okay, so I'm taking a smaller number as equal to x. Okay, now it's given positive number is 5 times the another number. So positive number you can take it as 5 times this x, so it will be 5x. Okay, is that clear? Now we will move to the second part. Like if 21 is added to both of the number, then one of the new number become twice the other new number. Okay, now we will take the second condition. If 21 added, we get, how we will get smaller number, new smaller number become what? X plus 21, right? If I 21 added, this become x plus 21, x become x plus 21. Now next case, if new positive number become, I'm going to add 21, so new positive number become 5x plus 21. Is that clear? Why 5x plus 21? Because already is given like that. The other positive number is 5 times the first number. So if we take it as 5x and if you add 21, it become 5x plus 21. Okay, now what are the conditions given? Already is given in the question that after adding that, if 21 is added, then one of the new number become twice the other number. One of the new number become twice the other new number. So which one will be twice of the other? That is the condition we have to be careful here. You have to be remember that the smaller one will be twice of the other. Otherwise, for example, if I take 5, okay, and a new number become twice of this, means it will be 2 times 5, that is equal to 10. Though, so the smaller one should be the twice of the other. So if I take two numbers 5 and 10, means if you get an option like that, the one become twice of other, means 2 only can be twice of that. 2 times 5 only will be equal to 10 only, right? Because 10 is the bigger number, so it can be twice of the other. Smaller number only become twice of the other. You have to understand that concept. That will be make you to easier to make the equation occur. So we can write that new number equal to 2 times new number, new smaller number. So how will you get? You will get it as 5x plus 21 is equal to 2 times x plus 21. You can open the bracket. 5x plus 21 is equal to 2x plus 42. When you take 2x here, you will get 3x, 5x minus 2x. Then 42 minus 21 you will get. So you will get 3x is equal to 21 by 3, which is 21. Then you will get 3x is equal to 21 by 3, which is equal to 7. So we will get smaller number is equal to 7. Okay, smaller number x is equal to 7 and bigger number is a positive number. Bigger number means it is 5 times x, that is 5 times 7, you will get it as 35. You see, the only thing you have to remember here that the one of the new number become twice the other new number, means the smaller number twice will be equal to the bigger number. That only you have to be careful here. Okay, now we will move to the next question. If you have rupees 800 and you have saved 250 every month, find the amount you have after 6 months. Then second question, 2 years. Express this as linear pattern. So we have done these kind of questions using drawing tables and finding the linear terms, etc. Now it was easier for you also. So we will do this. We know that the initial values we have initially 800 rupees. So we will write initial values equal to 800. Okay, so after value after 1 month, how we can find? Because 250 you're saving. So 800 plus how much you have to add plus 250, you will get at 1050, right? Now after 6 months they ask. So first month you would like 800 plus 1 into 250 you get. Second month how will you do? Second month you will get it as 800 plus 2 times 250, that is 800 plus 500. You will get it as 1300. Though like this, if you go 6 months, this is your question one answer. After value after 6 months will be 800 plus 6 into 250. Though, so you will get 800 plus 750. Sorry, 800 plus 1500. 6 into 250 means 1500. You will get it as 2300. Got the idea? Now, the question is like, second one is like after 2 years. Value after 2 years. 2 years means how many months? It will be 12 months. 12 plus 12, 24 months. So 800 plus 24 into 250. Are you getting why we are taking 24? But each month questions given like that. Each month you say 250. So it is 2 year. 2 year means 24 months. That's why 24 into 250 we are adding. Okay. So 24 into 250 will be 600. 800 plus 600 you will get like 6800. Okay. So if you take the time as t, okay, time equal to t, how we can write the linear pattern? Time equal to t means our linear pattern, v of t, value of the money, we will be 800 plus 250 into t. Or if you take as another variable as x as the time or a number of months also, you can take v of x is equal to 800 plus 250 into t. So this will be a linear pattern. Got the idea? Okay. Now we will move to the next question. Here we have done a very different types of questions in the exercise part. Drawing of visualizing linear relationships, right? Draw the graph of the following equation and identify the slopes and y-intercept and find the coordinate of the points where these lines cut the y-axis. So I hope it's clear for you. Using the same idea you can do all these questions. Where how to draw the graph, you have to separately find the coordinates, and after finding two different coordinates you can join it and you can check whether they are cutting at where they are cutting at the y-intercept. Is it above, is it below the origin, or is it at the origin? You can see the first question itself. What is it? It is y is equal to minus 3x plus 4. A is equal to minus 3, b is equal to 4. B is equal to 4, it will cut above the origin, right? I hope you remember all these points. So using the idea you can draw it. Since it is easy, we are moving to the next questions. Okay. So next question is like that. Eighth question. If the temperature of the liquid can be measured in Kelvin units as xk and Fahrenheit as y Fahrenheit, the relation between the two system of measurement of temperature is given by the linear relation y is equal to 9 by 5 into x by x minus 273 plus 32. So find the temperature of the liquid in Fahrenheit if the temperature of the liquid is 330 Kelvin. So value at Kelvin is given. You have to find what? You have to find the value of Fahrenheit. Okay. Now what about the next part? If the temperature is in 158 Fahrenheit, you have to find the temperature in Kelvin. Okay. So one is temperature is given in Kelvin. One part temperature is given in Fahrenheit. Okay, so you have to find the temperature first part in Fahrenheit, sorry Celsius, second part it in Kelvin. Okay, so shall we do it? What it is given, you can write given y is equal to 9 by 5 x minus 273 plus 30. I hope you remember how to derive the equation. We have derived the equation. Okay, so we represent the Kelvin in x, so given it is 330 Kelvin, we have to find a Fahrenheit, that is y itself we have to find. So you can write here x is equal to how much? 313. So we will substitute the value. Okay, so y is equal to 9 by 5 into 313 minus 273 plus 32. So what you will get? y is equal to 9 by 5 minus 313 minus 273, you will get it as 40. So 40 plus 32. Okay, so in 5 how many times 8? 8 times 9, you will get it as 72. So it will be like 72 plus 32. You will get it as 104. That is 104 watt Fahrenheit, because Y is represented as Fahrenheit and we have to find the Fahrenheit value for the first. So we will get it as Y as 104 Fahrenheit. Got the idea? Now the second part, what you have to substitute, given that Fahrenheit is given, that means Y is given. You have to find the X. So let us do that. Okay. The second part, it will be like Y is equal to 158. So let us substitute that in the equation. That is 158 is equal to 9 by 8 into x minus 273 plus 32. Okay, now we have to keep this part here and we will take the 30 to the left side. Okay, so 158 minus 32 is equal to 9 by 8 into x minus 273. Okay, so 158 minus 32, you will get it as 126. So 126 is equal to 9 by 8 x minus 273. Okay, now we'll take this 9 by 8 to the sorry, it was 9 by 5, my mistake. 9 by 5 to the left side. Okay, so it will be like, when we take to the left side, it will be like 126 by 9 by 5 though. So when we take reciprocal multiplication, you will get 125 into 5 by 126 into 5 by 9 is equal to x minus 273. Okay, so 126 and 9 will cut down, you will get it as 14. So 14 into 5, you will get it as 70. So 17 is equal to x minus 273. So that x is equal to 273 plus 70, you will get it as 343. So you will get it as at 158 Fahrenheit, the Kelvin value will be 343. So it is the 343 Kelvin actually. Got the idea? First of all, we got the Fahrenheit value. Second part, we found the Kelvin value. Hope it is clear. Now we can move to the next question. So in this question, question says that the work done by a body on the application of a constant force is the product of the constant force and the distance traveled by the body in the direction of the force. Express this in the form of a linear equation in two variables. Work should be taken as W and distance should be taken as D. And draw its graph by taking the constant force as 3 unit. What is the work done by the distance traveled is 2 unit, verified by plotting it on the graph. Okay, so by the given relation we can write one by one. Okay, so we have to take let work done as W. It's given that you can take work done as W. Okay, and given that constant force is given as 3 unit. Okay, so constant force is equal to 3 unit. Okay, so we have to write the linear equation. Okay, what is the equation? Work done is equal to constant force into distance, isn't it? So if you take distance as D and work done as W, we will get it as W is equal to 3D. W is equal to 3D. Now you know, to draw a graph we need to form the table and how to find the coordinate though. So we will do the table, then we will find the coordinate. Okay, so this is our table and we will take it as x and y. Okay, for easiness, you can take work done as y and distance covered as x. Okay, so you can take work done is equal to x and distance as sorry, distance as x and work done as y. Okay, so x and y you can put like this. So if x is equal to 0, clearly y also will be 0. Now if y is equal to 3, that means work done is 3, means w is 3, means d will be 1 only, right? 3 will be 1 only. Now we will take one more point. This is enough. 1 0 0 1 3 is enough. So our point is 0 0 1 3. If you want to take one more point, you can take one more point so that you can plot it in the graph. Okay, so 0 0 1 3, let me show you the drawn graph here. So you can, this is 0 0 and this is 1 3, and we have joined this graph. Okay, so this will be your graph, and we knew that work done is equal to 3 times distance traveled. Okay, now given in the question you have to find the work done by when distance is traveled 2 unit. Okay, so 2 unit means your distance traveled d will be 2 only. So you can write that work done when distance traveled is 2 unit, isn't it, is equal to w is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6 unit. Okay, so this will be your